And there she is. Just got to quickly brush some spider webs off. Well, that is what you call taking the long way to work. Okay, let's get started. Okay, thank you for indulging me on that. I thought that would be a really fun way to show off a little bit more of the farm before getting into the nitty-gritty of this beast of a van. So essentially this van is a 2009 Iveco 50C118, which is the long wheelbase high roof version. So it's tall enough that I can stand up inside. It is 2 meters longer than my last van, coming in over 7 meters long. It has a 3.5 ton towing capacity with a tow ball in place. It also has a 3.5 ton cargo capacity in here. It is dual wheel, which gives it that big capacity, 6-speed manual, 4-stroke turbo diesel, and I, as you can probably tell, am in love. It is going to be such a great base to make this conversion happen that is really, I'm hoping, going to take me and Ockie all around Australia. I am on my grandparents' farm. They aren't here, so it's just going to be me here for this period. My dad lives on the neighbouring block. He'll come over to give me a hand every now and then, but we're really trying to keep that social distancing and isolation happening whilst I do this build out. So I've kind of stocked up on a lot of the local supplies already, and I got a lot of stuff ordered so I don't have to leave the farm too much. I've also stocked up on food. So yeah, I'm going to be doing it all from right here. I'm very pumped about it. And, you know, I'm also kind of nervous. I'm going to be putting some features in this van that I haven't done before, and that includes hot water system, includes putting a shower in, and a lot of little features, some Ockie-centric features for my dog. So, yeah, there's a lot to be excited about. There's a lot of work to be done. I think the first project is going to be probably ripping up this floor to make sure everything is good underneath, and then I'm going to be cutting into the roof because I'm putting quite a few holes in there with different things. Before I wrapped up this video, I wanted to say, first of all, if you watched the last video on this channel, our last video, it was a really tough one to make. I'll link it up here. But thank you guys so much for all your support and kind comments. I was actually a bit overwhelmed really with the response that came from it. And also overwhelmed with how many of you came over to my new channel, the Max and Ockie channel, that is going to start up in a few months, and I'm really excited about that. I'm also thinking about putting a few videos up there in the meantime of more vlog style, just until Ockie gets back. Alright guys, I hope you're excited about this as I am. Please come and join along for the ride, and I'll see you for episode 2 shortly.